Got money, retarded. Don't want her if it don't clap when she walkin'. Ain't too pretty in the face, but she super thick. I'm just thinking with my dick. My shit done. I'm just thinking with my dick. My shit done. I'm just thinking with my dick.
Me and this bitch ain't gon' make it to the suite. I'ma put her on her knees right here in VIP. I'm a dog ass nigga, I'm not fucking with no fleas. If I saw that bitch again, I probably won't even speak. And why you taking care of that bitch? Wait till you find out that we sharing that bitch. Getting trippy with your girl and a girlfriend. Bet you never even knew she was a lesbian. Man, that girl swallow nut like an elephant. Stupid nigga probably thought your bitch was celibate. Like a dentist with a drill, I be digging in they mouth. First they swallow all my children, then I kick them bitches out.
Got money, retarded. Don't want her if it don't clap when she walkin'. Ain't too pretty in the face, but she super thick. I'm just thinking with my dick.